Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Arts International Preschool. In the last video, we have seen some indoor activities which improves the hand-eye coordination. Here are some more activities which improve the same hand-eye coordination, shape recognition, fine motor skills, etc. For this, take a white paper and draw a balloon, okay? And ask them to use the binti to decorate the balloon. First, give them the big size bindi so that it will be sticky, so they will do like this. See, hand-eye coordination. Then medium size. See, by reducing the size, it will be difficult for them to take it in hand. See, decorate baby. See, whatever they do, please encourage them to do more so that they will do. And give the smaller one like this. To be very difficult. So they need to apply more eye-hand coordination power and stick. See. This is one activity which improve eye-hand coordination, and you can give them colored sticks, ice cream sticks to make a pyramid. So for that they need eye-hand coordination like this. See, they need to make. We can make easily, but for them it is very difficult. And for if they arrange some 3 or 4, 6, it may fall down. See, and building an ice cream pyramid is also an important activity which build eye and hand coordination. And you can give, see this, crooked lines, right? We can ask them to arrange button on this. First give them big buttons to arrange on crooked lines. See, like this, like this, like this, down, up, down, up, down. Yes. Then I don't have enough button to complete the line. And once they are done with the big ones, you can give them the small one. Small one will be difficult for them to arrange. Yes, these all need eye and hand coordination power. See, so on, right? Like this, like this, like this. And the other activity is, you can use the ice cream tray. Okay, ice cream tray and ping pongs like this. You can use clips like this or forceps. So if they are using the clips, ask them to pick one ping pong and release it. Yeah, here you match the correct one here, right? So they may hold like this. So they may hold like this. Give them like this. See, some kids may hold like this, that is this, but for more easy, this is the way. So match it, take the orange one baby, take the orange one. So like this, match, see, release it. Some will do like this, right? No. They need to pick only one at a time. Baby, pick the pink one. Where is the other pink one to match? See? Or you can ask them to use the forceps. Forceps also, see. Be easy for them to do that. Hand-eye coordination, see. You can use this. These all activities, have you noticed these all activities enhances the tripod grip which requires for writing. These all holding, see. See. Encourage the child, hold the forceps or clip, whatever they are doing, with 3 fingers, with these 3 fingers. And this activity you can use to teach about colors also. So these all are the activities that improve their eye and hand coordination. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please give us a like, share and subscribe for getting and also press the bell icon to get a further notification from our channel. And I'm just reminding you, this is our Arts International Preschool YouTube channel. Our admission for August batch is on. You can enroll your child for a free trial. For getting further clarification, you can reach me in the following number. Thank you so much for watching.